Hi guys, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. I hope you all are utilizing this lockdown period to learn about option strategies. I am sure you are finding the videos in this channel engaging. I sincerely wish you keep coming back to it for guidance in your trading journey. Also, any criticism, more particularly any constructive criticism, is welcome. With that said, let's get to the topic of this video. How to view the payoff graph of an option strategy on the Sensible platform. The payoff graph, often referred to as risk graph or a profit loss diagram, is the diagrammatic representation of an option strategy payoff. Institutional and retail investors alike use these graphs to understand and analyze option strategies and calculate returns before entering a trade. The payoff graphs help in visualizing a strategy and also represent different scenarios at expiration of maximum profit, maximum loss, break even, and profitability of profit. They also enable you to compare between different strategies and maximize profit and loss. Understanding a payoff graph is critical to the success of a trader. Here are the different components of a payoff graph. The horizontal axis represents the price of the underlying asset, stock or index, labeled in ascending order, and the vertical axis represents the projected profit or loss for that particular strategy. Break-even point is the point where the projected profit and loss line meets or crosses the x-axis, that is, the price line. Above the x-axis indicates profit and below it indicates loss. By convention, the payoff graphs ignore the effect of commissions and other charges you have to pay your broker. Let's look at the payoff graph for a long call option. For example, Nifty May 9150 call. It shows that the option in question at expiration has an unlimited profit potential, a limited rupees 18,596 loss potential, and a break-even point at 93.98. Now let's see how to view the payoff graph of an option strategy on the Sensible platform. Point your browser to sensible.com. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the website. If your broker is Zerodha, 5paisa, Alice Blue or Motilal Oswal, you can use the login credentials of the respective broker to log in. Else, you can use your existing Google account username and password to sign in. If this is your first time logging in, you will see a welcome screen and you will have to choose from the two options: Activate my trial now or No, continue with free plan. Click on Activate my trial now and you will see the trial activated successfully screen. Click on OK. There are several other features on the platform, but in this video we will restrict ourselves to Strategy Builder. Click on the Strategy Builder button. We will look at the payoff graph of a Christmas tree with calls option strategy on Nifty. It is an advanced option strategy that consists of 3 legs and 6 total options. The option strategy involves buying one call at strike price 9200, skipping strike price 9300, selling 3 calls at strike price 9400, and then buying 2 calls at strike price 9500. You will see the payoff graph on your right. It is a bullish option strategy with a payoff similar to that of a butterfly spread. While the blue line indicates the payoff at expiry, the dotted red line indicates the payoff on the target date. The summary section summarizes the different aspects of the trade, such as the premium paid or received, maximum profit, maximum loss, break even, and probability of profit at expiry. The major advantage of the Christmas tree option strategy is that it costs less to establish and hence the maximum potential loss is less. Below the payoff graph are two sliders, which can be used to notice how the payoff graph reacts to changes in price or time. You can also save the strategy to a name of your choosing for later use. Thank you for watching. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.